Log into your Utho Cloud account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the main dashboard of your account. Find and click on the Cloud Instances section or Deploy Now button. Click on the Deploy New button, then choose Cloud Instances to start creating a new instance. Select Data Center Location. Choose the data center location. Select the operating system. Select OS version. Select billing cycle, for example, hourly, monthly, annually. Select storage type. Choose the type of storage for your server. You can select general storage for standard use, EBS storage for scalable persistent storage. Select plan type. Configure authentication. Set a password for the root user or configure SSH keys if you prefer SSH-based login for accessing the server. Select VPC network. Choose the VPC virtual private cloud where your server will reside. Select CPU model. Select the CPU model for your server. You can choose between AMD or Intel processors depending on your preference or performance requirements. Set hostname and label. Set the host name for your instance, for example, a cloud server, live server. Optionally, add a label to help organize and identify your instance later. Deploy the instance. After configuring all settings, click on the Deploy Now button to initiate the creation of your CentOS 7.9 instance. Wait for deployment. Wait for about 5 to 7 minutes for the server to be properly deployed. Utho Cloud will notify you when the deployment process is complete. Access the console once your server is deployed. Try refreshing page. Try refreshing page. Try refreshing page. Click on the console button to access the server's terminal. A console window will appear, allowing you to interact directly with your server. Log into your server. In the console, type the username root when prompted for a user. Enter the password that you set earlier during the authentication configuration. Thanks for watching.